Alhamdulillah. Salaatu salaam. Rasoolillah wa aalihi wa ashaabihi ajma'een. Amma baad. Billahi minash shaytan nir-rajeem. Bismillah. Kuntum Khayra Ummatin Ukhrijat lilnnasi. Ta'muruna bil ma'ruf wa Tanhawna Anil Munkar wa tu'minuna Billah. Rabbish Şadri. Yassir amri. Wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. The respected people on the dais, my respected elders, and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. As-Salaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, of Almighty God, be on all of you. The topic of this evening's talk is the role of the Muslims in a non-Muslim society. First, let us understand what is the meaning of the word Muslim. Muslim means a person who follows Islam. Islam comes from the root word salam, which means peace. It is also derived from the Arabic word silm, which means to submit your will to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to Almighty God. In short, Islam means peace acquired by submitting your will to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to Almighty God. And anyone who submits his will to Almighty God and acquires peace is called as a Muslim. So in short, Muslim is a person who acquires peace by submitting his will to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to Almighty God. As far as the role of the Muslims in a non-Muslim society is concerned, it can be divided broadly into two categories. The first is the actions and deeds related to himself. And the other is the actions and deeds related to the non-Muslim.